Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to see how to apply for the Revolut credit card. And well, the process is pretty simple. What we have to do is simply go to our preferred and most frequently used internet browser. In my particular case, I am navigating directly to bing.com, and from here, what I am going to meticulously do is type in the specific search query, Revolut credit card, okay? And then, almost immediately, the official Revolut webpage, which is specifically designed for applying for their credit card, will prominently show up on the screen, okay? So, how do we apply for it? It's very simple. First, we need to take into account all the requirements they ask for, okay? And also keep in mind, the benefits that are right here in this option. I recommend that first let's click this button here to see all the benefits that each of the cards offers. For example, this Plus card, okay? Uh, Gives us certain advantages, just like the Premium, okay? The Metal and the Ultra. Here, if we click here, we can see the payments, the terms and conditions. And well, here we have all this information related to this, so we can keep in mind what we can do when we apply for it, and of course, how we're going to use this card. Here, we click where it says Apply Today, we click there, and then scan this QR code. And that's it. It's something very simple to do, and that way we can apply by entering our information and all that. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.